On this episode of Crypto Moose, we are going to unbox the Tangem Ring. This is by far one of my favorite cold wallets in crypto. If you guys have not picked one up yet, head over to the link tree. You can find that pinned in the comment section down below, and as well as in the description of every video right here on the channel. And if you guys want to learn how to set up this wallet, I will be doing a 1-minute setup video. So whether you want to pick up the Tangem Ring and or wallet, we will guide you step by step on how to do that. Plus we have other content regarding Tangem. So guys, use code Moose, save 10% off, and let's head over to the desk and get to the unboxing. Now it's time to unbox the Tangem Ring. One thing I wanted to mention before we begin, make sure to double check your ring size. So for me, I am a men's size 9. So hopefully this will fit. I want it to be on my right hand, on my ring finger. So depending on which hand you're going to use, which finger, maybe it's going to be on your index finger, make sure to measure that. We have a guide, we have a complete tutorial on how to size your ring. Tangem has a resource on their website, and you can print out a PDF, and we cover that on the channel. So make sure to check that as well. So let's begin. We don't have anything else to cover. On the back, there should be a ring size here. Here it says 9, so that should be good. And there's even more detail that we can add on screen as well. So we're just going to open this up a little bit. I don't want to mess it up. And I've always liked Tangem's packaging. So that's what it looks like. I'm pretty sure focus is like 1 inch off the table. So it is very nice. It always feels like a premium product. So there we go. There you have it. That is the beautiful Tangem Ring. So this is the ring, and then of course you have 2 cards, hopefully. So we have the 2 backup cards. So basically you have a getting started guide, and you have the ring. So we will bring some things back and forth. So you have 2 beautiful cards. Okay. So you have the cards and the ring. Absolutely beautiful. And moment of truth. Let's see if it fits. Oh, little tight. Okay, pretty good there. So guys, that is the Tangem Ring. So that is the ring. It is very beautiful. Let me tell you, this ring is very, very nice. All right, guys, so that is the unboxing for the Tangem Ring. Stay tuned. We are going to have a step-by-step setup video. So if you want to know how to set up the Tangem Ring and or wallets, we will have that for you in the near future.